This
discuss about
conference will now be recorded.
We didn't discuss about?
we just started with the update, right?
Okay. Insert we have seen that. Correct, right?
Sorry?
Insert we have seen.
Yeah.
Which database?
I think EMP something.
No, not EMP. Justin.
Justin, yeah. Yeah, EMP is the tape.
So update we have seen, right? Or
No. We were talking about update. We started with update.
So what is update?
Update is to change the current value to another one, right?
Yes. So how to do that? I think we have discussed about this update query. Update EMP set ESAL plus 10 and where ESAL equal to 10.
Yeah. And you
got it, right?
Yeah.
So those things we have discussed, I think.
Yeah.
Correct, right?
Yeah. That
so in that way we can make use of update and we can update the values. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts in that?
No.
Okay. Next. Now alter also we have seen, we have added the column.
Yeah.
Alter we have added and did we modify?
No.
See, alter, we have got a column added, employee address, whose type is character and the size is 100.
Yep.
I'm modifying. Okay.
So the character becomes 50, right?
Yes. So right now one sec, let me show you. You can see the structure of the table where the character size has been reduced to 50. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Again, suppose let's suppose if I don't want this particular column only, you can increase, you can decrease, you can do whatever, add the column, whatever we have seen that particular thing in alter.
Okay.
Suppose if you don't want that particular column only, if you want to drop that particular column,
delete.
Just you can make use of drop, not delete.
Okay.
Drop employee address, so that particular column will get dropped.
Okay.
You can see that column is not there.
Yeah.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Next, alter. Now you have got so much data.
Yep.
Suppose if I need to delete all the values from the employee table, delete from EMP, you can do it. Okay, no?
Yeah.
Where this delete from EMP will delete all the values from the table, remember.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Yeah.
Next, I'm not going to execute this query. delete from EMP where employee number equal to 5.
Okay.
Only based on the condition, in condition, where condition, between, all those conditions are we have studied in select, right?
Yeah.
Those are all the conditions you can apply and you can execute the things so
Okay.
that you can delete the values based on that particular criteria.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. So delete based on the condition, delete all the values we have seen. Now, one important thing I have to mention over here. See, you can use truncate table EMP.
Okay.
Even this is meant for deleting all the values from the table.
Okay.
But table structure will be there. Remember this.
Oh. Okay.
Complete table will be gone. Only table structure will be available over here.
Okay.
See, query okay, 8 rows got affected. Okay, no?
Okay.
Now, one of the important interview question which they'll ask is, what is the difference between delete from EMP
And truncate.
and truncate table EMP?
One is delete. Delete from EMP will delete the structure too, right?
Delete, it will maintain the structure.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Tell me.
I'm not sure.
See, truncate, we have a concept of committing, auto commit.
Okay.
See, while installing my software, what I have did, what is this? MySQL. When I was installing MySQL, I
Okay.
have enabled this one, auto commit true.
Okay.
Okay, now what is this auto commit? Let me tell you. First of all, if you execute any of the query like insert, update, delete.
Okay.
Insert, update, delete only. Remember this, okay?
Okay.
These queries by mistake, if you have executed, if you need to roll back, undo if you need to do,
Okay.
and if you need to get back the old data,
Okay.
that is possible by making use of rollback command. We have got a concept of rollback.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
what this rollback will do, it will get back the data to previous position.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
When it comes to this one, see, here let's suppose if I don't want to roll back the data, then I have to use commit.
Okay.
Commit is just like you are saving the data permanently.
Okay.
After that, if you roll back also, that will not be get back the old data. Undo will not be possible. Got my point, right?
Okay. So like a rollback will restore the data, but if you use commit, then it will not.
Restoration will not be happening. Will not be possible.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. See, here we have got a concept like auto commit. While installation, I have enabled auto commit.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
If I have enabled auto commit, what will happen? There is no chance if you do rollback also, you will not get back the data.
Okay.
You will not get back the data. Remember this.
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
That's what happened right now.
Okay.
Now, if I truncate, there is no chance of rolling back.
Okay. So
Where in insert, update, delete, as I have enabled auto commit, even there also rollback is not happening. Remember
Okay.
this. Okay, no?
Okay. If auto commit is turned off, then rollback can be used in the case of delete, insert, and update.
Insert update. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Now we'll go for next one. Truncate. So alter, insert, update. Say drop. What is the use of this drop in the sense? It is meant for dropping the table as well as content of the table. Remember this. Okay. No?
Okay. So same as delete, right? Or
No. Table will be there. Table also will be dropped as well as
okay.
data also will be dropped.
Okay.
When it comes to delete and truncate, table will be there. Remember that.
Okay.
See? Query okay.
Okay.
Now if I say select star from or anything,
Okay.
table does not exist. It is showing.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Next. Now the database is also dropped. Is that clear?
Okay.
Like this, whichever you want to drop, you can drop it over here. Okay, now drop the database, drop the table. It is possible. In that way, I have dropped it.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Now the next thing what we are going to discuss is how we can apply these queries using our Python scripts. Okay, now
Okay.
where using this Python scripts we can apply it, but how?
Okay.
What are the things we want to use is what we want to know right now.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First thing is, let me now which database you wanted to connect?
MySQL database.
From Python, correct, right?
Yeah.
So PyMySQL download. You just go to this one.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Just go to PyMySQL download. Automatically, what will happen? Here, you'll get this one. Okay, no?
Okay.
Once if you go to this particular location, what will happen? It will ask you to install this one, pip install PyMySQL.
Okay.
Either you want to install, you can install it. Otherwise, you can download the files over here.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Now, what I have did, I have downloaded that and I have pasted it over here. Let me show you. One sec. See, I have extracted.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
In that way, I have downloaded and I have extracted.
Okay.
Where within that I can perform my operations.
Okay.
Whatever the operations I want, I can do it over here.
Okay, so what's the difference between downloading the file and installing use the command?
See, installing in the sense, it'll what you say, you can install it to global, otherwise local, however you want.
Okay,
But this will be local only.
okay. So it
You
can be
need to
used
set
only
the
for.
path. So many things you have to do it with respect to this.
Okay,
When it comes to that, you can install it local, global, however you want. You can decide it.
okay.
Understood my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I have downloaded for showing the demo to multiple students. What I have did, I have extracted multiple times.
Okay.
Similar way, even I can extract it for you. See, got extracted. Okay, na?
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. In that way, I have downloaded and extracted for every candidate.
Okay.
Same way which I have did for you too. Okay, na?
Okay.
What you need to do, just the thing is, you need to follow the steps what I am showing you right now.
Okay.
You need to write a program, dump it over here, and execute the program from this location itself. Got my point, right?
Yeah.
How to do that? Let me show you. Okay. I'll take one simple example. Not this, this I'll take. I'll paste it here. Okay, na?
Okay.
DB1. This is a simple program which I'm showing you.
Okay.
See, you got database version, that is
Okay.
5.0.15 NT.
Okay.
My database version. Got it, right?
Yeah.
How this happened, let me explain this. First, import PyMySQL.
Okay.
I'm importing PyMySQL library over here.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Next, after importing my library, I want to create a connection. PyMySQL.connect hostname, which is my host. Host in the sense, where is my server running right now? My
Okay.
server is running on local machine.
Okay.
So I'm specifying local host.
Okay.
Suppose if my server is running, database is running on remote machine, then remote machine IP address you have to specify. That is the only option what you will have.
Okay.
And both the systems, our local machine as well as remote machine, should be connected to same network. Remember this.
Okay.
Suppose if your database is there in the local machine, you will have three options. One is either local host,
Okay.
your local machine IP address you can specify. Otherwise 127.0.0.1 you can specify.
Okay.
Got it, right? Any one of these three you can specify.
Okay.
Over here. Next, port. Port is, what is the port number of the server where exactly it is running? It is running on the port address 3306. MySQL, while installation itself, it will ask for the port address.
Okay. I think I installed it.
Yeah,
The
default
same
port
thing.
address will be 3306.
Okay.
Okay, now
Hmm.
that's what we are specifying, 3306 over here to connect.
Okay.
Next, username, by default username will be root,
Okay.
and the password while installation I have given it as root.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Next, with this particular credentials, after connecting to MySQL,
Okay.
inside that MySQL I'm connecting to EMP-DB.
Okay.
Already I have created previously to that
Okay.
particular database only I'm connecting right now.
Okay.
With that, connection has been established.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Next, I'm creating a cursor. Cursor is nothing but it is almost equivalent to your pointer.
Okay.
Like how we'll have file pointer, right?
Yeah.
Here we'll have a database pointer.
Okay.
By making use of this pointer only, we can execute our queries.
Okay.
Say cursor dot execute select version. We are executing select version query.
Okay.
Once if you execute this query, we will get so much data. Let me show you. Select version, if you do,
It is the same as.
say so
Okay.
much. See, here only one record is there.
Okay.
Okay, this record, what I'm trying to do, fetch one record I'm fetching,
Okay.
storing into data variable. Database version is %s will get replaced with data variable.
Okay.
So database version is this one, it will display.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
After that, we are closing the connection.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. So in this way, we can see till here it will be same.
Yeah.
For upcoming programs also it will be same. But
Okay.
from here the queries will be changing.
Okay.
This portion only will get changed.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Now, what are the other operations we can perform? How to perform? Let me show you now.
Okay.
Okay. One sec, I have kept all my programs in some folder. Okay, DB1. Now we'll go for this. This we have seen. Next one, you can see till here it is same.
Okay.
Ignore this. This is not required.
Okay.
Till here it is same. We have connected to the database.
Okay.
We are executing a query. Drop table if exists employee.
Okay.
Already, if there is a table with the name employee available, I'm dropping it.
Okay.
Then create query. You can see create table employee first name, last name, age, sex, income, all these things. We have prepared on query.
Okay.
This query I'm executing it.
Okay.
So if you execute this program, what will happen? In this particular database,
Okay.
one table with the name employee will get created with these fields.
Okay.
Already, if there is any table with the name employee, that will get dropped
Okay.
because of this query. Got
Okay.
my point, right?
Yeah.
This is the way you can use the query for what you say, creation.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Next. Insert. See, If I need to insert till here, it is same.
Okay.
There is no change. Here I have prepared a query, insert into EMP with all these fields and the values. Insert query is prepared. Okay.
Okay.
We are executing that particular query
Okay. Then try and accept.
and we are committing that particular data. That means we are saving the data. See, remember one thing, if you are not committing, what will happen? From the Python code, data will be transferred in the connection only.
Okay.
You're getting my point, right? From the Python code, it will transfer the data to connection.
Yeah.
Once if you say commit, from the connection, it will be pushed into DB and it will get saved over there.
Okay.
Suppose if you got any exception while pushing, otherwise query execution or whatever it is, here you can see rollback, connection.rollback we are doing. So from the connection, it will revert back the data instead of storing into database. It will
Okay.
revert back.
Okay. So, can you say it again?
See, we'll have our program.
Okay.
We'll have our database.
Okay.
Once if you execute this query, what will happen? Data will be moved from our program to connection.
Yeah.
If you say commit,
Okay.
from the connection, it will move further to database.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Let's suppose here we are using try. What this try will do, if you got any exception here, the query issue, database issue, port issue, or any other issue, something like that,
Okay.
it will come to accept block. It will not execute this query.
Okay.
I mean, it will not commit your data. It will not
Okay.
push to database.
Okay.
It will come to this one and it will roll back.
Okay. So it will be retreat to the.
Yeah, from the connection, instead of going further to the database, it will come back to the program.
Okay.
Then we
so,
are closing the connection.
okay. So is this a standard method?
Yeah, this is a standard way of execution. Insert, update, delete. You have to do this kind of things only. Because if query is wrong, why we should apply it on the table?
Yeah.
So standardly we will follow this procedure.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No. Do we have to use the try and accept for the connection too?
Connection, if you want, you can add it better. That's better.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now let's go for next one. You can see this.
Okay.
This is just a replacement. Same query only.
Okay.
Instead of first name, %s will be replaced with Mac.
Okay.
Second last name, it will %s will be replaced with Mohan, and %d age will be replaced with 20. Like this, for each and every replacement character, respective values we are passing. So that instead of passing a fixed values,
Okay.
these are just like replacement values.
Okay.
We are executing the query, and this will be same procedure. Only this query has changed.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Insert, update, delete. See, here I am changing just the query to delete. You can change it to update.
Okay.
You can change it to alter,
Okay.
truncate, anything. You can do it over here. We'll be executing the query and we'll be committing the transaction, else we'll roll back. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
This will be the same procedure for everything except select.
Okay.
Let me show you select how it looks. See, till here it is same.
Okay.
Here select star from employee where income is greater than %d. That %d will be replaced with 1000.
Okay.
Now whose income is greater than 1000? I am executing this query.
Okay.
Cursor dot fetch all. That
Okay.
means with that particular query, how many records are matching,
Okay.
all those records we are storing into results variable.
Okay.
That results we are iterating.
Okay.
See, one row of record we are taking.
Okay.
That employee will have so many columns in one row, correct, right?
Yeah.
In that row, 0th column, I am storing it as F name.
Okay.
First column, we are storing it as L name. Second column, third column, fourth column. So
Okay.
in that row, all the columns we are storing.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, some network disturbance. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got a complete record. We are printing that.
Okay.
Suppose if you got any issue, we will be rolling back and we are closing the connection.
Okay. I had out like okay.
Yeah.
So here we fetch all the values into results, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So can we use the results like outside the try block?
Outside the try, yes, you
Yeah.
can do it.
But you have to make the result as a global value, right?
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Better you do those kind of operations within the try block. What will
Okay.
happen? I'll tell you the reason.
Okay.
Sometimes whenever you are retrieving, you might get empty values, and that values, whatever you are retrieving, that may not fit into the variables. So
Okay.
many reasons might come up.
Okay.
To avoid all those particular situation,
Okay.
we can take the help of this particular try.
Okay. Okay.
Got my
Got it.
point, right?
Yeah. And one more doubt. So like if I am so I like is it the the age and the like income, those are like actually integer values, right?
Yes,
But it will be taken as string.
it will be taken as string over here.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Any doubt so far?
No.
Okay. So this is how we can connect our Python program with MySQL.
Okay.
You have to use PyMySQL. Same way, if you need to connect to Oracle, we have got PyOracle.
Okay.
If you need to connect to PostgreSQL, PyPostgre is there. Like this for each and every database connectivity, respective library is available. Okay, na?
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Now we will proceed to MongoDB.
Okay.
What is meant by MongoDB?
I don't know.
See, this MySQL, it is an organized database.
Okay. Yeah. No.
Got it right?
Yeah.
This organized database, in the sense, here we will be having respective tables, rows, columns, etc., things will be available.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Now, When it comes to MongoDB, we will be holding the data in the form of documents.
Okay.
Got it right?
Okay.
Let me open.
So what's advantage of like MongoDB?
One sec, I'll come to that. See, go to this and click on server and download this. Whichever the version which will match, you can select that and you can download this. Okay, no?
Okay.
Yeah, just a second. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, just click on this download. It will get downloaded for you.
Okay. Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Next, I have downloaded and I have installed it into my machine.
Okay.
Okay, now one important thing I wanted to say you, that is, say, while installing MongoDB, one sec. Initially, that first screen itself, you will get one option. You will get one option. Where is that? Where is that window? MongoDB Compass.
Or I can install it right
Now you'll install it?
now. Yeah, I can install it.
Yeah, better. You do that now. Let
Okay.
me
So,
make you familiar. You just do that so that I can show you.
okay.
One important thing, you have to do it over there.
It will be here, right? MongoDB install. So which one should I do? So it's the same because showing something.
Why you are getting like this?
I don't know. I just put MongoDB install this time, right?
MongoDB download, you just do it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Server.
Okay.
Yeah. Download.
Yeah. Yes. It's a complete one, right?
Complete. Yeah. Next. One second. Okay. Yeah. Click next. Unselect that. Unselect.
Okay.
Install MongoDB. Yeah. Unselect. That is what the thing I was searching for.
Okay. So next, right?
Yeah. Install.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's done.
Now go to C drive. No. You should not do that.
Okay.
Wait. Go to C drive. Program
Okay.
files.
Yeah. Check.
You can find MongoDB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Get into that. Server. Yes.
bin.
Yeah. Copy the path till there.
Copy the.
Path till there. Till bin.
Okay. Yeah. Copy it.
Go copy it. Go to this PC.
Properties, right?
Yeah. Environment variables.
Yeah. To new, right?
Hmm?
Yeah. New path, right?
One sec.
Okay.
One sec. Where did you do that? Yeah. One sec. Check in the path. What and all is there? Click on path.
Which?
Edit. Path variable. Above.
About.
User variables.
Oh, this one, right?
Path.
Okay.
Select
Okay. Got
path.
it.
Go to
Yeah.
edit.
Okay.
You can see. Okay, fine. Click cancel.
Yeah.
Minimize all these windows. Minimize. Okay. Go to C drive.
Okay.
Create one folder with the name data in small letters.
Over here or inside the program?
Here it will create one folder with the name data. Under this, you create one folder with the name DB.
Small letter.
Small letter only. Okay. Na?
Yeah.
Now get into this. Copy the path till here.
Yeah. Copy.
Yeah. Now go to environment variables.
Okay.
Yeah. Click the path edit. New. Paste the path.
Okay.
Click OK. Okay. That environment window. One more window is there. See that also. Okay. Go to command prompt right now. Go to the location where exactly your MongoDB is there. Minimize the screen. Better minimize the screen. Go to C drive, program files. C drive, program files, MongoDB, server 4.0, bin, Mongo D will be there. See,
This one, right? Or this one?
yeah, Mongo D,
Oh, this one.
Mongo D.
Okay.
Click on that.
Double click.
Yeah, this will start up right now. Wait for a while.
I think it's done. So here the building text. I think it's done. Building
No.
text.
Yeah, it is started. Go to command prompt right now and type Mongo.
That's all right.
Enter. Yes, press enter.
Mongo.
Mongo.
Yeah, it's
Oh, close this command prompt and open again. Mongo.
Yes, saying that.
It should not be. One sec.
Is it?
There is something. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Are you able to see?
Yep.
In E drive, I have installed my MongoDB
Okay.
data. See, it is there. MongoDB, I'll start.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll just go to command prompt and type Mongo.
Okay.
One second. Once this is started, then I'll go. Yeah, it is listening. See, it is getting connected.
Okay.
And this PC, you can observe there is no extra settings I have updated. Oh, this. You didn't set the path for this.
Yeah.
Okay, that we forgot. Yeah, go to that.
So I had to close everything, right?
Open. Go to your MongoDB bin folder. Copy the path.
Should I
Close it. Close.
Both.
Close it.
Yeah, this
Copy the path till here.
Yes.
Yeah, go to environment variables. This PC. Path.
Edit, right?
Edit. Click new. Paste it.
Okay, now I
Now go to C drive, program files, server 4.0, bin.
MongoDB, right?
Yeah, start.
Saying waiting for connections on port 27.
Yeah, it is started. Now go to command prompt and type Mongo.
Okay.
Yes. So in this way we have connected. Now minimize the screens. Go to C drive. Data. DB.
DB, right?
Yeah. See,
Okay.
all the databases will get created here. Okay, now
Okay.
that's what the specialty over here.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay, let me come to my screen. Okay, I'll share. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
So how to close this one? Just close it, right?
One sec. Control C if you press now. One sec. I'll show you. Here in this MongoD is there, right?
Yeah.
Press Control C. Your main server will get stopped.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Later you can proceed. Not an issue. Okay. Just start it here. Okay. See, here what I will do, I will execute. Where is this? Clear screen. Okay.
Okay.
See, clear screen is not there in MySQL. In this, we have got that.
Okay.
Next, show databases. It will list out all the databases which I have created for my previous batches. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Next, here there is no database creation specifically. If you say use Justin, automatically what it will do, it will create the database if it is not there, and it will enter into the database.
Okay.
If it is there, it will just directly it will enter into the database. That is the specialty of use.
Okay.
You got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts? Just now I said that database will be created.
Yeah.
But if you say show databases, it will not be listed over here. You can check it out.
Why?
Are you getting my point? Because in that database, if you don't have any content, it will not be listed only. Remember this.
Okay.
If it is having some content, then only it will get listed.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now, see, in MySQL, we will call it as table.
Okay.
Here, we will call it as collection.
Okay.
There, we will call it as row.
Okay.
Here, we will call it as document.
Okay. Let me write it. So, like for table, it will
Here,
be
it is collection.
Okay. For row.
For row, here it is document.
Okay.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
There it will be column.
Okay.
Here it will be field.
Field. Okay.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
So right now, let me tell you why and where this will be used.
Okay.
I stopped sharing.
What?
Execution of queries tomorrow I can show you. Let me tell you briefly about where this will be used. Okay.
Okay.
This will be used basically. Just check. Take an example. I'll start up an e-commerce application.
Okay.
In that e-commerce application, what I will do, I want to sell different types of products.
Okay.
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 Different types of products in the sense, I want to sell one vegetable.
Okay.
I want to sell one fruit. I want to sell one what do you say, mobile also.
Okay.
Where whenever if you are saving the details about all those particular products,
Okay.
see, fruit in the sense you will store only limited fields,
Okay.
and vegetable in the sense again you will be storing only limited fields over there.
Okay.
Mobile in the sense you need to store multiple more fields you have to store, like
Yeah.
mobile name, manufacturing, warranty, so many things we have to store information.
Yeah.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Storing all those particular details into the same table will waste your memory.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, to overcome that, what we will be doing, we'll go for this unorganized database.
Okay.
Whichever the field you have, that only you store.
Okay.
Which you don't have, don't store it.
Okay.
In that way, this will help you to save the memory, reusability. Everything is possible.
Okay.
First record, I mean, will go as first document fields. Second document fields will not be same. If it is same, also no problem. If it is not same, also not an issue.
Okay.
In that kind of scenario, this, what do you say, MongoDB is good option for you.
Okay. So it's like
Got my point, right?
yeah, it's a dynamic array that we create.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay.
So like
Next.
so in MySQL, so here we don't want to specify the number of fields like when we are creating, right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's the specialty.
Okay.
How to use and other things in tomorrow's session, I'm going to show it to you.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, fine.